read the paragraph. So paragraph question, actually it is a fill up the blank question. The concept is same as we have discussed in earlier questions, but the type of question, the pattern of question is slightly changed. We are having, as we go from species to kingdom, so species the lowest to kingdom. See, several concepts are put together under one statement. As we go from species to kingdom, the number of common characters goes on decreasing. We have discussed this. So, A should be decreasing. Lower the taxa, that is in species. Dash are the characters that members within the taxon share more or great. Higher the category in kingdom or in higher category, dash is the difficulty, more is the difficulty. Why? Classification is easy in the lower taxa because similarities are more. But to group in the higher taxa, it is not that easy. It is difficult. Why? Because characters are very much different. That's why it is difficult to classify in higher taxa. So, dash is the difficulty. Greater is the difficulty, more is the difficulty in determining. So that should be the order. Okay, A, B, C. So go on. Decreasing, it is not. Decreasing, less. No, it is more. Increasing, no. Decreasing, then more. Correct. Greater. Correct. Here, this is wrong. So, the correct answer will be doll.